scratch my back and I will scratch yours ይሄን አርግልኝና እኔ ደግሞ ይሄን አረግልሃለሁ እንደማለት ነው scratch my back and I will scratch yours for example ስብሰባ ላይ ዛሬ ወሳኝ ስብሰባ አለ እኔ አንተን አይዲያ ሰፖርት አደርጋለሁ አንተ ደግሞ የኔን ሰፖርት አደርጋለሁ you support my idea and I will support your idea in return ስትሉ scratch my back I will scratch yours ማለት ነው scratch my back and I will scratch yours that means you do something for something in return የሚለው ቃል እዚህ ጋር ወሳኝ ነው in return ማለት በምላሹ በዛ ምትክ ማለት ነው you do something for something else ማለት ነው good let me give you another example do me a favor and I will do a favor in return ለምሳሌ ጎረቤታችሁ ይመጣና ቻርጀር እስኪ በእናትህ ዛሬ ቻርጀር ይቢያውሰኝ ምናምን ይላል ቻርጀር አውሰኝ it's okay but don't forget to bring me snack next time የሚበላ ነገር ግን ይዘልኝ ትመጣለህ next time he agrees ይስማማል that is the power of quid pro quo this expression a bit advanced that means do me a favor and I will do a favor in return ይሄን አርግልኝና ይሄን አረግልሃለሁ the power of quid pro quo actually used in business it could be used in politics a bit advanced one ለምሳሌ ዲስካውንት አረግልሃለሁ እኔ ደግሞ ፕሮሞሽን እሰራላችኋለሁ አግሪ ታረጋላችሁ that's the power of quid pro quo reciprocal ማለት ነው actually in business and in life everything is an exchange reciprocal bro quid pro quo good let me add one more tit for tat hey በስብሰባ ጊዜ ሸፍኝላለሁ I covered for you during the meeting then you would say እናንተ ደግሞ ትላላችሁ okay I will cover your shift next time I will cover next that means tit for tat you do something similar with equivalent action because somebody did something for you that's tit for tat ለምሳሌ ጓደኛችሁ when you call him whenever I call him he calls me back whenever I call him he calls me back that's tit for tat equivalent የሆነ ነገር አንድ ነገር ሲደረግ በዛው እኩል የሚሆን ሲደረግ like I covered your shift and you will cover mine that is it tit for tat is that one አንዳንድ ሰዎች ፕሮሞሽን ያገኛሉ የሥራ ፕሮሞሽን ዝም ብለው ያለ አግባቡ ሚስጥር ለመጠበቅ scratch my back and I will scratch yours ይላሉ ማለት ነው that's what we call it quid pro quo the art of quid pro quo he got the job as quid pro quo for supporting the campaign he got the job as quid pro quo for supporting his campaign support ስላደረገለት ነው ስራ ያገኘው we call it quid pro quo you do something for some so you say something for something do me a favor and I will do a favor in return don't forget in return በምላሹ ማለት ነው ይሄን እንዳትረሱ one more question for you ህፃንን ልጄን ተመልከትልኝ ሱቅ ደርሼ እስከመጣ ድረስ ህፃን ልጄን ትመለከትልኛለህ ብላችሁ በእንግሊዘኛ እስኪ ኮሜንት ላይ ጻፉልኝ this is Moorish English speak English and think English you think English and you speak English thank you